Hi friends, welcome back to Diane's Paradise. Hope you all are doing good. Today I have come up with a breakfast recipe which is egg muffins. This is a perfect one for your kids' tiffin or even you can carry this for your travel or for picnic. This is something you can simply grab and have it on the way to your work as well. This is loaded with a lot of fresh and wholesome ingredients. I call this a sandwich muffin because this is something I make when I don't have time to make sandwiches separately. This is a sandwich which is in a muffin. You'll know how. For that, let's see the recipe. Into a large mixing bowl, crack 2 eggs. I'm using 2 large size eggs. If the one you are using is slightly smaller, then you can take 3 as well. To that, add salt, crushed pepper, some Italian seasoning. Now give this a quick whisk. To this add about 4 tablespoons of milk. Now combine the milk to the egg. Now take the bread slices and butter them. You can also melt the butter and add this to the egg mixture. Because I said this is a sandwich muffin, so I normally do this way. For 2 eggs, 3 bread slices will be enough. Once it is done, just fold and break them to small pieces and add this to the egg mixture. To this add some green onions. If you don't have these green onions, you can add the normal onions also. Just chop and add them. Some sweet corn. Some capsicum. Grated carrot. Some mushroom. I'm using button mushroom here. Finely chopped coriander. Some freshly chopped mint. Grated mozzarella cheese. And simply just fold all the ingredients together. Don't mix it too much. And for the sweet and tanginess, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup. Combine everything together and keep it aside till we are getting our muffin tin ready. Simply just grease the tin with some butter. Now add the mixture to this tin. About 1.5 tablespoon of the mixture will go into one case. Make sure you're adding equal amount of the mixture in every case because this will help the muffin to cook evenly. Once we have filled all the cases, top each muffin with some extra cheese, mushrooms and corns. This is all set to go into the oven. The oven is preheated at 180 degrees for about 15 minutes. Now this will bake at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes until they are cooked through. Look at that. This is absolutely ready to be enjoyed with some ketchup. Have them hot. You can even store these muffins in the fridge for about 1 week. Just let this cool completely and store this in an airtight container. And before you use or have it, just microwave it for about 1 minute. Hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, then give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, then show some love and subscribe to my channel for more such easy recipes. So till we meet next with some another exciting videos, stay healthy and be happy.